As you can see, we are here to replace the condenser fan motor assembly because it's making a lot of noise. So I have ordered my new parts. You can see here, you can focus on this. And the parts actually came in two. One is the blade and the other one is a fan. So you can see I put them together. You spin it and it's very quiet. One single light tilt will go like 20 rounds. On the other hand, if you look at the old assembly, it's stuck. See? When I spin, because of how hard I spin, it won't spin. And this is what caused the noise because the fan is trying very hard to spin the fan. Sorry, the motor is trying very hard to spin the fan. So the first thing you need to do is to take these connectors, press this button and then pull it down. Yeah. And then to take this out, if you can see from the new assembly, yeah, there is a catch right in front, this one. So you have to take a screwdriver and right in front of that. So this is a part I'm trying to push, this part. Yeah. So I will put my screwdriver and just lift it up and the whole thing will come apart. That's it, very easy. So as you can see, the fan is dislodged right now. Next thing is for us to take it out. And you notice that I can't take it out because it's blocked by this, this is condenser pipe. So don't break it, yeah. As you can see, there's a groove here. What you do is that you rest the groove on the condenser return pipe, and then you can rotate the fan. Look at that. I'll do it slowly, okay? Here is where the contact, and then you start rotating the fan slowly, 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 and then tilt, and it will come off easily. Let me do it again, because this is, remember how you put it in, because how you take it out is how you're going to put it in. So you have to remember, this is the most crucial part. All along, this thing is resting on the inlet without destroying anything. So this is how you tilt them. Take the new one, do them identical. Yep, and then you're going to go in like that. Yeah, exactly the same way. Yeah. The top and the bottom are lined up, and then you catch it, and easy, yeah, it will touches the top, the bottom of this the fridge, and then just slide, and then easily just continue to rotate. And there might be something blocking, so I just keep looking. Yeah. So as you can see, at this point, they slowly and snugly turn it in. I'm going to rotate it all the way. Rotate, 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 and then I'm done rotating, right? So the next thing is trying to position it. There's a catch here, and I'm going to position it right on top of this and then slide it in. So I have just slide the whole fan in. Ooh, sorry, not really. So I think behind is not catch on. So there is another latch at the back. I'm going to line it up, and then I'm going to slide the whole thing in. Just like how. Okay, there's one catch. There's two catch. You hear the click? So essentially what I was doing is that I'm trying to align this catch and that catch. So 3, 1, 2, 3, line it up, and then flat, and then snap it in, and you hear the sound. And the clicking sound is this thing. This is the one that clicks. And this is also the one when earlier on, trying to remove it, we take a screwdriver and then twist it up and slide the whole thing. So let me show you, just in case you couldn't get it in, or you want to get it out, you put screwdriver here, yeah, you tilt it up, and then you can slide this whole thing out again. Okay, good enough. So once this is done, you want to make sure that it's snug, and then you can start the spin again. You see that the old fan will not spin, and that's very generate the noise. The new one, whoa, fresh as new. And the final step is to put the connectors back, and then the catch gonna face you, and you're gonna push it in, and you hear a clip. That's all. And before you close, you want to test that it's working. And you're gonna put the power in and just test it before you close it up.